what did I do? Why did I choose to swap my stock Civic LX EX suspension with the SI stock suspension? Find out more if you stay tuned. Alright guys, here are just some of my factory LX shocks that I removed quite a long time ago after I upgraded to the stock SI suspension. Now, why did I upgrade to the factory stock SI suspension? Well, because I didn't want to decrease the height of my car that much, but I did want to increase the stiffness to handle better around town. So the factory LX EX springs are very soft, they're made for comfort, while the SI has a little stiffer springs, a little better dampening in their shocks. So a direct bolt on? Yes, we took the stock factory shocks and springs out and we pretty much swapped it in with the SI suspension. The aftermath? Wow, what a difference. Granted, it did not change the height of the vehicle at all. A lot of people were saying that the SI suspension is going to actually lift the vehicle because it's a stiffer spring and the weight of the car is not compressing it as much, but I have not noticed such things. And overall, maintained the same posture. Definitely a lot stiffer, better rebound during corners, in and out of corners. And again, how much did I pay for the SI suspension? Well, I got them used from someone who upgraded to coilovers. They probably had about 50,000 miles on them, which is still fairly good. And I paid about $80. Did the install myself, and wow, what a difference. So pretty much this LX Civic is running a full SI suspension setup. You got the front and rear SI sway bars. Likewise, you have the full SI suspension front and rear, and it's definitely a great handling car. I mean, probably handles a little better than the SI considering it weighs a little less. Likewise, I did upgrade to the SI wheels with 225/45/17 tires, so that combo right there is amazing, and it drives well. And comparing it back to the factory LX in its factory form with the 16-inch wheels and the factory soft suspension, wow, you should definitely do it. I highly recommend it. Pick up used if you can. Likewise, you can also go with the Honda factory performance suspension, which is going to run you around $400 to $500, and it will lower your vehicle about half an inch to an inch, but that might be another option for you. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you are going to swap these springs in your vehicle, I do recommend them. Don't expect a height drop, but do expect a little bit more stiffness and better handling. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next video.